गाइस तो चलिए आपको लेके चलते हैं इनसाइड हॉल ऑफ आवर फोरम. प्लीज कम.
Ay, ay, ay.
So guys, अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं to the stall of Wagma Design. Let's have a look how beautifully they have designed the stall. Come on. So guys, have a look. This is the stall of Wagma Design, beautifully curated. Just have a closer look with all the elements and see how they beautifully have designed this. Hi, इधर में. So she's very busy always, surrounded by people, and the kind of nature she has and the kind of warmth she has, you would never find her alone, and you would always find her surrounded by people. So we'll also try to take out some time from them. We are just standing right beside her and waiting for her to get free. She doesn't even know that we are recording her, and this is the purest candid shot you can get out of her. जब ये लोगों से बात करती हैं तो पूरा उसमें घुसी रहती है. We have been recording you for 5 minutes now, the tour of your stall and the kind of charisma and personality you have. So ma'am, I would like to talk.
So what was the question, sir?
We just wanted, this is so beautiful, and what is the story about this place? Why is this chair here? Why is this wallpaper? What does it mean? What is light?
So, lovely. As a design consultant, I'll explain, because execution के time पे क्या सोचा था मैम ने और कैसे उस चीज को एक शेप दिया था, वो तो प्रतिभा जी बेटर बता पाएंगे. लेकिन बिकॉज दिस इज अ कोलैबोरेशन प्रोजेक्ट, एंड मुझे लग रहा था कि जब हम कोई चीज़ एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हैं तो इतनी छोटी सी जगह में वो आइडिया किस लेवल तक एक्सप्रेस कर पाऊंगी ये नहीं पता था मुझे. सो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड कि लेट्स मेक इट सच एक्सपेंसिव कि वो जो डेप्थ कम है हमारी, वो डेप्थ भी हम कवर कर लें. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी चोजन दिस 3D लुक वॉलपेपर विच इज़ लाइक, जब आप फोटो में देखते हैं, बिकॉज ये तो 2 दिन का इवेंट था, उड़ जाएगा, बट वंस द फोटो इज देयर यू विल ऑलवेज फील लाइक यू आर सिटिंग इन अ पैलेस. एंड टू क्रिएट दिस चेयर वी हैड अ आइडिया बिहाइंड दिस दैट यू शुड फील you are the king or queen of your empire, and you have decided to build it up. We are here to support you, we are here to make it happen, but throughout the journey you should feel definitely about it that you are building it up, and you will get your empire, kingdom built the way you really want. So जो अभी आपने question पूछा, why this chair is kept here, because we knew that this is a corner stall and somebody is coming from that side. This should be the eye-catching stuff. Because this white, gold, black is kept here, the artwork is to support. Because once there is no height, nothing is that highlighted. So height and width should be balanced really well. And white is always good with the gold. But उसको combine कैसे करना है, उसको कैसे इस bold gold element के साथ mute करने के लिए ब्लैंक वाइट सोफा रखना है, उसके साथ म्यूटेड गोल्ड की सेंटर टेबल लेनी है. दीज आर द आइडियाज वी ट्राई टू कोलैबोरेट, एंड देन गिविंग इट अ फाइनल लुक इज credit goes to her.
So as time was very less, so we wanted to create a brain impression. So each and every piece is created like an art piece. You can see here the chair is also created like an art piece. It's a beautiful chair with carving, with metal work on top, and a white color high gloss, which is a very unique color. Normally chairs are made in wood, and here we have added a wooden lock kind of a table, which has a little bit shapes, and a golden and a polyester polish, which makes it a luxury opulent wooden piece which is kept in the center of nowhere. So here curved sofa we have added.
Flowy look चाहिए था ना.
Flowy we have added a curved sofa which gives you flexibility as well as accommodates lot many people. Then we have a bar also to enjoy, to party. In the palace you can have party also. So come, I'll just show you the bar as well. Come have a look at the bar. We have created with the nature. We got inspired with the nature theme. So as a product manufacturer and product designer here, this is a beautiful bar we have created so that people can enjoy nature in their own living room. and make sure they are enjoying the luxury as well as nature together. And this top makes it rough and tough use also for their wines and all kind of drinks. So they don't need to worry about any spillage as well. Yeah, here Manjri ji also want to add something.
So जैसे अभी तक हमने बात करी कि कैसे कंसेप्ट सोचा गया था, बट सिर्फ कंसेप्ट और फर्नीचर से नहीं होता. दिस शुड बी एग्जैक्टली combining with the like you can see the texture we have incorporated in this curtain. So whether it is white, which is just to mute this louder wallpaper feel, but उसकी ग्रेस को एनहांस करने के लिए ये वाइट टेक्सचर्ड थिंग चाहिए था अपने को. सेम गोज टू दैट कर्टन. इफ वी गो क्लोजर टू दैट, that is, it is having white and gold key edging, and collaborating things with each other and then making it looking like wow. So that wow element comes in the right balance of color, product, and the texture should definitely be there. There should be, कहते हैं ना, टच फील आनी चाहिए. सो टच फील आने के लिए हमें सब चीज पे काम करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us the input. And now I'm gonna give you a closer look of the sofa. I'm gonna give you a closer look of the stall. Have a closer look of this couch, and see the beautiful wallpaper. See this table rear. This looks amazingly, perfectly placed. And now the best part, the chair that we're talking about. So I'm gonna sit on this chair and manifest my dream home, and I would want Manjri ma'am one day to design and create my dream home. So this chair is for manifesting my dream home. And if you guys also have your dream home in your mind, you can contact Wagma Design and get your dream home made. So here's the contact details, and you can contact Wagma Design. Thank you so much.